So today is day 1 of my room makeover process. I'm literally going to be getting rid of all of this furniture that you see, like this dresser. This whole entire room I've had since 7th grade. Same furniture arrangement, same everything. I mean, 7th grade Hannah really wanted to pick a bright blue color to hide how depressed she was inside, but we're not going to talk about that. I think it's time for a nice upgrade, a nice change. Yeah, over here I have a dresser. It's pretty old. I am just tired of it, so we're going to get rid of it. Down here you can see a bunch of mess. Don't zoom in too close. Yeah, it's just a bunch of mess that I'm trying to get rid of. I'm selling a lot of old stuff on Letgo. I used to use Facebook Marketplace, but I had no luck there, so I moved to Letgo. And I would definitely recommend it for those of you who are wanting to make a little bit extra cash or just getting rid of clutter. No, I'm just trying to be a minimalist here and getting rid of things that I don't need anymore or things that are cluttering up my life. But yeah, over here I have a desk and a bookshelf thing that I'm also getting rid of. Over here, I'm literally going to be getting rid of all of these pictures. Don't zoom in too close. Right here, we have, I might keep this thing. Hey, over here, cameraman, you're going to be fired. So I might be keeping this thing. I'm not sure yet. These two side tables I'm also going to be getting rid of. Today we're going to be meeting up with our buyer to get rid of this nice dresser. It's still in good condition. I don't know if I'm going to vlog that, but we shall see. So let's go. Okay, so I just got back. That's one part down and a lot more to go. I still have the pictures to take down, but after that we have a nice blank wall to work with. We went to Lowe's and we got some paint swatches. I'm pretty sure this is what they're called, paint swatches, but I could be wrong. I'm not really sure what kind of thing I'm going for. I just know that I want it to be tannish, like a tannish white color. That's what I saw on Pinterest. I've made inspiration board, and that's basically what I'm going off of. I'm like really indecisive, so this is gonna be a long process. I already can tell. I think now I'm just gonna take everything out of this room and prep the walls. After all that hard work, I realized that I had done absolutely nothing besides removing the furniture. But I was tired, okay, and overwhelmed, so I guess we'll just call it a wrap for day 1. Today is day 2. I finished removing all the furniture yesterday. Today we're just going to be cleaning the windows, removing the pictures from the walls. Also, there's lots of dust from the furniture yesterday. I'm just going to clean that up. You see that? That is absolutely disgusting. This wall is honestly so Tumblr 7th grade. I used to be obsessed with Harry Potter, like, I don't know if you can tell. Day 3, painting day. We're gonna be heading over to Lowe's again to get the paints. It has been about a week since I last showed you guys the paint swatches that I picked out. I still have not decided what color I wanted. I'm stuck between these two colors. Your girl cannot choose for her life, so I think we're just gonna head over there and whatever I decide to pick, then that's what we're gonna go with. So we just got back from Lowe's, and there was 2 colors that I narrowed down to, and what did I do in the end? I picked none of them. I decided to go with cake batter because it's kind of more neutral than a subtle blush one, which was more yellow than I wanted. The color that I chose is a nice in-between between the 2 contenders.
Let's hear the rest of it.
Hey, this is Feature Hannah popping in, and I don't understand why my stupid butt decided to wear socks while painting a room. So if you're gonna paint a room, don't be like me, okay? Because I ruined those socks.
Look at this. just got finished with the first coat. It is still splotchy and needs a second coat, but we ran out of paint, so we're gonna make a third trip to Lowe's.
And it goes a little something like
I don't know what day it is, I've lost track. Anyways, this is my completely painted room. It's all done. This color cake batter has a little bit more of a pink undertone than I would like, but I'm still happy with the way it turned out. I decided to place my bed this way. I decided to downsize from a king bed to a queen size. I had a queen size bed frame with a king size mattress on top, which I didn't like it sticking out from the bed frame. Took some regular fabric scissors and cut down the sides, and now it fits on my bed frame. It's not super uncomfortable. I think it's actually pretty comfortable. It's not like I'm sleeping on the floor or anything. I think it's better for my back that way. Today I'm gonna staple down this white sheet over the box spring because the box spring is this ugly green color, which I do not like.
I know some of you might be saying, Hannah, why did you have to staple it? You could have just draped it over the frame. Well, my friend, I was inspired by a bunch of Urban Outfitters decor on Pinterest, such as this, and this, and this. So yeah, I wanted underneath the bed to be showing, and stapling it would just give it that nice look, you know? Yes, it's the harder way, but that's what I wanted, so leave me alone. Over the next couple of weeks or days, who's keeping track, I went to various locations to search for some decor, but specifically orange pillowcases, and to my disappointment, there were none to be found, like anywhere. What was I gonna do? I did, however, find these cute wicker baskets from Home Goods and this plant from Walmart. What should I name it, by the way?
I'm back in my room. I'm really sorry about the camera angle. I can't really adjust it. So you know how I was looking for orange pillowcases and there's like none to be found on the market?
Okay, I'm popping back in. There are actually a lot of orange pillowcases online, but I was specifically looking for a burnt rust orange color, which that was nowhere to be found, except for this one website, which was too expensive and the reviews didn't look too good either, so that's why I decided to DIY it instead. But now for some reason my indecisiveness is kicking in and I don't know which orange I like more, but it's whatever.
Well, your girl is gonna DIY it and make her own pillowcase. I got 2 yards from Hobby Lobby.
We interrupt this program to bring you a special report.
So you're just gonna need 1 yard to make one standard size pillow. I was being annoying and bought 2 yards because I wanted to cut it in half long ways, fold it over like so, and have the stitches like this. But honestly, just make it easier for yourself and get 1 yard or 2 1 yards if you're making 2 pillows. All you want to do is sew down this way and this way. And I say this because I think it'll just be easier when you're attaching the cuff of the pillow, which I also happen to mess up. So let's say you wanted your pillow cuff to be 5 inches. Don't just cut out 5 inches, double it and make it 10 inches. That way, when you fold it in half, you're good to go.
I would rather it be this color without the polka dots, but they didn't have it. I'm just gonna have to do with this one, and it's not that bad of a color. I like it. And then these ones, I got 1 yard of this, and I got 1 yard of this yellow flowery fabric for the floor cushions that I'm gonna be making.
Later that same evening.
Okay, so while you guys were away, I found this mirror underneath my bed. I cleaned it up, it was really dusty. Now it's here. I really like the way it looks, and there's me. Hey! I went to Lowe's and I got this white plant pot, really cute. And then I got a real plant. Hopefully I can take care of it. I can prove to my mom that I'm a responsible adult. And if I can take care of this, then I can get a puppy. So yeah, I feel like I can take selfies right here, do OOTD. Yes. And then I also added this rug. It's not really a rug, it's a blanket that someone gave to my parents a long time ago. And I also got this plant dish thing from Lowe's also. And then this thing I already had. My parents threw it out in the garage and I took it back in. I don't know where they got it from, but I saw an exact same one at Hobby Lobby for like $9. So there you go, DIY nightstand. Today we're just gonna be putting together the rack. I've got this rack a few days ago and I'm so excited.
This rack was actually pretty easy to put together, and it looks pretty nice if I do say so myself. And thank you to my sister who helped me. And then after that, it was off to decorating and more DIYing. So I took some hot glue gun and twine and made my old trash can look more aesthetically pleasing. And then I made some floor pillows from that leftover memory foam I had earlier. Foam I had earlier. And thanks to my extremely patient mother who helped me, or did most of the work anyways. Thank you, Mom. Love you.
Mom, you're going on YouTube.
Sorry. And then I made some drawings and paintings, which was totally original, by the way, not copied from Pinterest or anything. I mean, I don't know if you guys know this, but I'm the most creative person that you'll ever meet. I'm so happy with the way everything turned out. I mean, I could have lowered that hand drawing down a bit more, but look how nice it all came together. My favorite part is the floor cushions and the little corner right there. It just looks so cute and ties the room together. I love how my room isn't cluttered anymore and there's just so much more space to move around. It just looks so much more minimalistic. So above the mirror, I have some of these drawings, which were also not copied straight from Pinterest. Wink, wink. Thanks again to my mom, my dad, my sister for helping me. Oh my gosh, it's like I'm accepting an award or something. Thanks to everyone who helped me get to this place. This took a hot minute to complete, but it's finally done and I absolutely love it. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!